Hi, this is Chad with NoviSign, and today I'm going to show you how to use the web image URL to add images to your digital signage content. So to get started, go to novisign.com, and in the upper right, it says Login. This takes you to the online studio and dashboard. Here you'll be able to edit, create, and manage the content for your digital signage. So to get started, I will select Create from Template. Here comes to the library of templates. You can either build your content from scratch or browse through our library, find the template of your choice, and customize. As far as today's example, we'll build something from scratch. So I selected Start from Scratch. A web image URL is essentially the image URL of a picture that you find on a website. So if I scroll to novisign.com and find an image, so let's say I would like to incorporate this image here. So I'm going to right click on the image and hit copy image address. That is going to be the web URL of that image. And I'm going to go back to my studio, and on the left we have the web image widget. So I'm going to click and drag. I can size it. Then on the right are the properties. Here it says image URL. I'm going to click that and Control V on my keyboard, and the image populates here. You can resize it, and it automatically adjusts to fit the proper ratio. This is a very useful widget when it comes down to you find an image that's on your website and you want to quickly incorporate it. That's one easy way of doing it, so you don't have to download, save, or upload any media. It's just a matter of copying and pasting it. And if I hit preview, there it is. Very, very simple. If you have questions, you can send us an email at info@novisign.com, or you can give it a try for free for 30 days. To do so, go to novisign.com, and in the upper right it says Start Now. Select that, and here you'll be able to sign up for the trial. No credit card is needed, no obligation, full 30-day trial. Thank you,